So I said, Tony, you know, we got the Vitamix bread. Why don't we make some pizza? We make some pizza bread. So we're gonna review the pizza bread. This is just bread. We made pizza. We made pizza bread. You know, it's got the mozzarella, tomato sauce. Actually, it's a pizza sauce out of a jar. Your grandmother, she'd roll over in a grave, you know, making a pizza sauce in a jar. But that's what it is. It's a pizza sauce in a jar. And it's on a piece of bread. She'd roll over twice. You don't put it on bread. You put it on the pizza dough. This is not pizza dough. This is some kind of bread. And it's kind of soft on the bottom now. This ain't a pizza. Tony, what are we making here? Thank God it's got cheese. You know what I'm saying? You put enough cheese on stuff, it don't really matter. Got a nice taste. What's that bottom? It's not a crust. That's a piece of bread. It's got a piece of bread and it's getting soggy on the bottom. From a pizza sauce in a jar. A pizza sauce in a jar. What am I saying, Tony? What are you doing to me? It's got a nice taste. It's got a nice crunch. It's not a pizza. Pizza bread. What is that? Pizza bread. What are you doing to me? Got peppers, mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. Ooh, portobello mushrooms. Delicious. But it's bread. It's bread, Tony. What am I gonna say? It's not pizza. I haven't made up my mind. Let me have another piece. Ooh. See, it's all soft. It's soft on the bottom. Ooh, it's hot. It's soft. You don't have soggy pizza. No such thing as soggy pizza. Soggy people make pizza that's soggy, but there's no soggy pizza. The bread is good though, but it's not pizza. Mushrooms, portobello, mozzarella. The mozzarella. Oh, that's too hot. Oh, mozzarella. Ooh, the dog is gonna get the pepperoni. Aha. Any day that dog gets a piece of pepperoni, it's a lucky day for the dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting this pepperoni. Okay, Vitamix bread. Pizza bread. I don't know. I do know. This is not pizza. At Tony. What am I gonna do with Tony? Ooh, hot. Nice crunch. What you do, you toast the bread. You toast the bread before you put it in the toaster oven. Then you toast the pizza bread. It's still soggy on the bottom. Portobello, mozzarella, pepperoni, pepper, bell pepper. Okay. So, this is my review, Vitamix pizza bread. It's no pizza. Okay, it's no pizza. It's delicious, but it's no pizza. Look at that, soft on the bottom. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Tell me, what are you gonna do? I'm eating here, okay? I'm eating here. One more piece to make up my mind. Portobello mushroom, pepperoni, mozzarella, pepper, pizza sauce in a jar, Vitamix bread. You make up your own mind. No more for the dog.